Hey, how you doing? I'm Jaan Mannik, Director of Commercial Sales here at One Stop Systems, coming back at you with another virtual trade show. This time it's the IBC Showcase. As much as we'd all rather be in Amsterdam, we're doing it virtually again this time due to COVID. Come on in, we got a lot of good products to show you. All right, part of our media and entertainment server line, we're partnered with a company called QoS EPS Cineworks, which developed a shared storage solution called the Production Sandbox. This is specifically configured to manage and process large data sets created by high-res 4K and 8K cameras from ARRI, Sony, Red, and Canon, and it's really a great product for on-set dailies, workflows, VFX, and supports a variety of applications from DaVinci, OSD, Cortex, and Adobe, and can support up to 1 petabyte of storage. What we have here is one of our bleeding-edge Gen 4 designs. This is an M.2 carrier card, fully Gen 4 compliant, supports 2 hot swappable M.2s or EDSF modules by just pulling the tab. Cool part is with this carrier card, plugs into any traditional by 16 slot. So we can fit up to 32 M.2 hot swappable drives in the back of our 4UV or even our QoS Production Sandbox. Using our expansion kit, this will connect to the ARRI LF Mini camera. It will allow you to offload what you've stored on your shoots and put it directly into a Production Sandbox over here or even our 4U value line over here. Really a great product, available today. Continuing on with our media and entertainment server line, this is actually a workstation geared for rendering or XR workflows. It's a very low cost, very high performance, single socket system that can support up to 2 NVIDIA RTX GPUs. Moving up to our 4U value line. This is a box with just slots and watts that can support up to 8 double-wide video cards if you're looking for that extra performance, maybe from the data sets from the media servers that we talked about. And can actually support either double-wide cards or single-wide cards. In this case, we're showing some flash cards, Gen 4, and some GPUs, which are Gen 3, all connected over cabled PCI Express. It's two 256 gigabit connections, agnostically to an upstream server. So you guys may remember us, we have a lot of large family of GPU accelerators, in particular our flagship product here, which usually draws people in on the show because of its massive density, supporting 16 GPUs and a 3U footprint. We're going to bring it down and kind of start more of a mobile workstation for GPU rendering. And this is basically a laptop here. It's a Lenovo laptop connected to our EB3T eGPU product, running a single GPU, a GB100 in this case, and supports a variety of AR and VR rendering applications such as Unigine, Unreal, and Autodesk. So very lightweight, very small, very compact, fits in a backpack, and very high performance, and connected over a 40 gigabit connection over Thunderbolt 3. I'm going to show you some other products here and kind of climb up and as we get more dense. So we've seen some GPU rendering products here that can support 1 GPU up to 16. We've seen some of our XR workstations and servers, and now we're going to finish up and showing you kind of what some of our flash storage products are. So these are very bleeding edge products as well. Very similar to our 2U expansion server you saw connected to our Gen 4 expansion system earlier. This is our 2U Ion Accelerator. This is very important for creating a NAS or a SAN environment and getting massive performance to the same very dense drives across the front. So we have up to 24 U.3 or U.2 drives across the front. That's 768 terabytes of performance. And then we can create a SAN or a NAS environment connecting in with a 100 gigabit InfiniBand, 100 gigabit Ethernet, or even fiber channel. So very flexible, very high performance, allows for file sharing for other XR workstations that might be connected over the network. If you're looking to expand even further upon that, and we can get up to 1.5 petabytes in the same system by connecting our JBOF. This is our SP2000-24. This is a full Gen 4 JBOF, very similar than the front end, has 24 U.3 drives across the front. Cool part about this is not only can you hot swap the individual drives, you can also do a bulk hot swap of a pack of 8 drives. Fully supported, full Gen 4, up to 24 drives, and in the back of the box we have 4 Gen 4 256 gigabit connections that can connect back into the server. So again, that 1 terabit pipe of bandwidth that you get between very fast storage coming into a SAN or a NAS box and just creating very massive scale out capabilities. And if you don't want to connect the JBOF to an upstream server, this can also be a standalone box on its own. So the same 24 drives across the front, 760 terabytes of storage. Now we can connect a smart NIC. So these are ARM-based processors that are on NIC interface cards like a Bluefield 2 from Mellanox. We can put up to 4 of those cards in the back of this box, so that's 4 100 gigabit connections that can support NVMe over Fabric, and we can make it a SAN or a NAS with our Ion Accelerator software. So whether it's a standalone box or a JBOF connected to an upstream server, you're still getting massive density, massive flexibility, and massive performance. One Stop's got the bleeding edge product for you, so come check us out today.